Example 7.3. Find the center of mass of a uniform L-shaped lamina. A thin flat plate. L-shaped lamina means a thin flat plates with dimension as shown. The mass of the lamina is 3 kg. Mass of the lamina is 3 kg. Now, this is the figure of L-shaped lamina. Now, see here, from our observation that L-shaped lamina consists of 3 square, one square, second square, third square. Okay. L-shaped lamina consists of 3 square. L-shaped lamina consists of 3 square, each of side 1 meter. Means this L-shaped lamina. Now see here, this is the L shape. Okay. Now this is the L shape. This is the L-shaped lamina. Okay. That L-shaped lamina consists of a 3 square. Each square having a this side is 1 centimeter, 1 meter. This side is 1 meter. This side is 1. Now this side is 1 meter. This side is 1. This side 1. This side 1. This side 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Okay. Means L-shaped lamina consists of a 3 square, each of side 1 meter. Okay. And do you know that the mass of the L-shaped lamina is 3 kg. The mass of L-shaped lamina is 3 kg, and that L-shaped lamina consists of a 3 square. Okay. Therefore, 1 square consists of mass 1 kg. Okay. The total mass of the lamina is 3 kg. Okay. And in that lamina, 3 squares. Okay. 3 squares are present. Therefore, each square consists of mass 1 kg. The mass of each square is 1 kg. Okay, total mass of the L-shaped lamina is 3 kg. Therefore, in L-shaped lamina, 3 squares are present. Therefore, each square of mass 1 kg. Okay, each square consists of mass is 1 kg. Okay, the mass of okay, each square having a mass is 1 kg. Okay, and now this is the first square, second square, third square. The mass of a first square is concentrated at a point C1. Mass of a second square is concentrated at a C2, and mass of third square is concentrated at a C3. Therefore, the mass of a square is concentrated at a center of mass of a square. The mass of each square concentrate on its center C. Okay, the mass of each square concentrated on its center C. Therefore, the position coordinate of each square is, okay, the position coordinate of each square is, first square position coordinate is point C1 and its position coordinate. This C1 is, now this is the from here to here 1. Therefore, this is the half, means 1 by 2. Okay, from 1 by 2 you can take a point C1, and from this is the 0 and this is the 1. Therefore, this is also 1 by 2. Therefore, the position coordinate of each square is the position coordinate of center of mass. The position coordinate of center of mass. The position coordinate of center of mass of each square is C1, C2 and C3 respectively, and is given by C1. Okay, C1 is, this is from along x-axis, this is the half, and along y-axis this is also half. Means C1 is half comma half, and C2 Now this is the half, this is the 1, and 1 and half means 3 by 2. Along x axis this is the 3 by 2, and along a y axis is half. Okay, therefore the position coordinate of center of mass of first square C1 is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. The position coordinate of second center of mass of a second square is 3 by 2 1 by 2, and third square, that is, now see here, along x axis this point is a 1 by 2, and along y axis this is a 3 by 2, means 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2 respectively. Okay, means it's a position, it's a center of mass of first square is C1, and its position coordinate is 1 by 2 1 by 2, and the position that is center of mass of a second square is C2, and its position coordinate is 3 by 2 1 by 2, and the position that is center of mass of the third square is C3, and its position vector is 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 respectively. Therefore the center of mass therefore the position of center of mass of L shaped lamina, okay, the position of center of mass of L shaped lamina is given by, okay, now that L shaped lamina having present in a space, the plane, therefore it consists of a x axis. Okay, along the x axis its a position vector along x axis, that is x is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Now see, this is the first square mass is 1 kg, therefore 1 kg into its a position vector of C is 1 by 2, therefore x1 is 1 by 2 plus m2 is also 1, it's a position vector C2 the position vector along x axis. Okay, now see here, this is the x1, this is the y1, this is the x2, this is the y2, this is the x3, this is the y3, therefore x2 m2 is also 1, therefore x2 means position coordinate of point 2 means C2 is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 plus mass of third square is 1, and its a position coordinate along x axis, that is C3 along x axis is 1 by 2. Okay, and the mass m1 is 1 kg plus m2 is 1 kg plus m3 is also 1 kg. Therefore x is equal to 1 into 1 by 2. 1 into 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 plus 1 into 3 by 2. 1 into 3 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Total divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 3. That is total divided by 3 kg. Now see that 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Their denominators are same, equal. Therefore 2, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1. That is 5. 5 by 2 divided by 3. 5 by 2 divided by 3. Okay, now this is equal to 5 by 2 into this denominator, when you can take into numerator it is become a 1 by 3. Therefore 5 into 1 is 5, 2 into 3 is 6, 5 by 6 meter. Therefore its x position coordinate is 5 by 6 meter. Okay, now similarly y position coordinate is m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus m3 y3 divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Now m1 is 1. What is the y1? Y1 is 1 by 2, 1 into 1 by 2 plus m2. M2 is 1 into y2. Y2 is also 1 by 2 plus m3 is 1. What is a y3? Y3 is also, y3 is nothing but 3 by 2. 1 into 3 by 2. Total divided by m1 is 1 plus m2 is 1 plus m3 is also 1. Therefore 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1 into 3 by 2 is 3 by 2. Then total divided by 3. Here its denominator are same, therefore 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 by 2 whole divided by 3. Okay, therefore this is nothing but 5 by 2. When this denominator, when you can take into numerator, it is become a 1 by 3. Therefore 5 into 1 is 5, 2 into 3 is 6, 5 by 6 meter. Therefore its a position coordinate along y-axis is 5 by 6 meter. Okay, therefore the center of mass of L shape lamina is x coordinate is 5 by 6 and y coordinate is also 5 by 6. Okay, this is the center of mass of L shape lamina.